The exterior of your home is the first thing people see, and its appearance plays a significant role in shaping first impressions. One of the easiest and most impactful ways to enhance your home's curb appeal is by upgrading your door. Whether you're replacing an old, outdated door or installing a brand new one, Door Installation in Redmond can give your home a fresh, inviting look while adding both style and function. Here's how a new door can boost your home's curb appeal and why it's a smart investment for any homeowner in Redmond. A new door creates a lasting first impression. Your front door is one of the first features people notice when approaching your home. It's often considered the face of your house, setting the tone for the entire exterior. If your door is old, worn out, or doesn't match your home's architectural style, it can detract from the overall aesthetic. Door Installation gives you the opportunity to choose a style that complements your home's design and personality. Whether you opt for a classic wooden door, a sleek modern fiberglass door, or a bold steel door, a new, well-chosen door instantly elevates your home's curb appeal, making it look more polished and inviting. Enhance your home's architectural style. Redmond is home to a variety of architectural styles, from traditional craftsman homes to contemporary designs. The right door can significantly enhance the architectural style of your home and create a cohesive look. For example, traditional homes. If you have a classic-style home, a solid wood door with intricate detailing, such as panels or glass inserts, complements the design. Double doors or doors with decorative trim can add elegance and charm. Modern homes. For a modern aesthetic, you may opt for a fiberglass door with clean lines and minimalist hardware. Glass doors or doors with large glass panels can create an open, airy feel while maintaining a sleek appearance. Farmhouse and rustic homes. If your home follows a rustic, farmhouse-inspired design, a wooden door with a distressed finish or barn-style sliding doors can bring a unique, country feel to your entryway. Choosing the right door that suits your home's architectural style is crucial for creating a unified, attractive look that will make your home stand out in the neighborhood. Increase your home's value. Upgrading your door isn't just about aesthetics, it's also an investment in your home's value. A well-designed, high-quality door can increase the overall market value of your property. Potential buyers often notice a new, stylish front door, and it can make a significant difference when it comes time to sell. In Redmond's competitive real estate market, homes with updated exteriors, including modern door designs, tend to attract more interest. A new, attractive door improves the first impression of your home and suggests that the property has been well maintained. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or just want to enhance your home's long-term value, Door Installation is a relatively affordable update that can make a big difference. Improve energy efficiency and comfort. While curb appeal is important, a new door can also improve the comfort and efficiency of your home. Redmond's weather can be unpredictable, with cold winters and warm summers, so energy efficiency is crucial. An old door may have gaps, poor insulation, or outdated ceiling, allowing air to leak in and out, causing your home to become drafty or inefficient. Energy-efficient doors, such as those made from fiberglass or insulated steel, help to maintain a consistent indoor temperature by preventing drafts and reducing heat transfer. By upgrading to a well-insulated door, you can improve your home's energy efficiency, save on heating and cooling costs, and enjoy a more comfortable living space year-round. The added benefit of energy-efficient doors is that they help lower your home's carbon footprint, which is an attractive feature for eco-conscious buyers. Create a welcoming entryway. The front door is more than just a functional element. It's the entryway to your home and should feel inviting. A beautiful door can enhance the overall aesthetic of your home's exterior, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere for both family and guests. Consider the details when choosing your new door, such as the color, hardware, and decorative elements. Color. A bold or contrasting door color can make a statement. Whether you choose a vibrant red, a classic navy blue, or a neutral shade like charcoal, the color of your door can complement the rest of your home's exterior and enhance its appeal. Hardware. The hardware, including the handle, lock, and hinges, can add a touch of elegance. Choose finishes that match your home's overall style: polished brass for traditional homes, matte black for a modern feel, or antique bronze for a rustic look. Small details like these can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your entryway, transforming your home's exterior into a welcoming space that people will remember. Enhance security and peace of mind. While aesthetics are important, a new door also enhances your home's security. Older doors or doors with outdated hardware may not provide the level of protection your home needs. A new door with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and stronger materials such as steel or fiberglass offers better protection against intruders. By upgrading your door, you're not only improving your home's curb appeal but also providing your family with an added layer of security and peace of mind. Conclusion. Door installation in Redmond is a simple yet effective way to enhance your home's curb appeal, improve its energy efficiency, and increase its value. Whether you're updating the look of your home for personal satisfaction or preparing for a future sale, a new door can create a lasting first impression and provide functional benefits. With the wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes available, you can easily find a door that complements your home's architecture and boosts its overall aesthetic. Whether you're looking to increase security, improve comfort, or create a welcoming entryway, installing a new door is one of the best investments you can make for your Redmond home.